Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Export Tally Train YouTube channel. My name is Baburao from Hyderabad. So today in this video, we are going to learn about order processing. Order processing in the sense, so that orders are of two types. For purchasing, we do purchase order. For sales, we do sales order. So say purchase order processing and sales order processing, I make in two videos. First one, in this video, we are going to take up purchase order processing. Okay, so I will share the screen. What is meant by purchase order processing? See here, purchase and sales order processing, that is the topics. Now, today one video and tomorrow one video I will make. So purchase order, what is meant by purchase order? See, when a company or a organization, when an organization want to purchase goods from the suppliers, purchase goods from the supplier. You see, in the case of a small business, they will ask them, they will buy phone or something. By going there, they will ask them, they will give the list of the material required, that is stock items required, and then they will ask them to supply, they will supply them. But in the case of large companies, they will not order the goods orally. So they will prepare a document, requiring that is the document about what are all the quantities, stock items, quantity, rate, everything required. They will prepare a document and send them to the suppliers. So that document is called purchase order. For purchasing goods, we are giving order to the suppliers, asking them to supply the goods and with terms how we will pay and what is the duration, within how many days they have to supply, with all these conditions, or how they supply, that is by road or by whatever it may be, mode of transport or anything. So with this all details, we send the purchase order to the supplier. That's what. And then they will see the purchase order and they will gather our goods if they have in stock readily, or they will gather from others and they will send the goods. That is, they will sell or they will deliver the goods to us along with invoice. Previously, before that, old versions and before that, before many years. So the rule was, along with the goods, they can send a document called delivery challan. That is, we call as delivery challan. Technical name is delivery note. So delivering out what is the material and quantity supplied, like that. They will prepare a delivery note and send the delivery note along with the goods. And then invoice will be prepared and sent after some time. So that's what they were doing in such a case. So first of all, we are giving order, we are receiving the material through the DC, that is delivery challan or delivery note, then we will get the invoice. So for all this, we'll make entries previously. But now the rule is changed. As per the GST Act, every movement of goods, that is, if by the the goods sold and delivered by the seller, that is not as a supplier. By the supplier must be surely must be accompanied by invoice, tax invoice or sales invoice, accompanied by tax invoice. It is a must now. So without invoice, if the goods are sent, suppose if anybody stop the vehicle, they will seize the goods as well as the vehicle. That is why that must be accompanied by the goods must be accompanied by the invoice. So now when you send the goods, they will send when the supplier is sending the goods, they will send the invoice also. But there is no restriction. Along with the invoice is a must. Along with the invoice, they can send delivery note also. So some people send delivery note, most of the people. Delivery challan, delivery note and invoice, both will be accompanied, both will accompany the goods. So when you send the purchase order, we will learn how to prepare the purchase order and send it. And that is the entry. And then this purchase order is only order, but it will not affect the books. And then after the checking this, they will send the goods along with, they will send the goods, deliver the goods along with the delivery note as well as invoice. If there is no delivery, no problem. But the invoice will make the entry. If they send delivery note and invoice, so first of all, for the delivery against the delivery note, we have to make an entry. They are giving the document delivery note saying that we are delivering the goods, but we have to record that in a different. We have to record that goods are received. Materials are goods or stock items are received. We have to record the goods received first, and then after recording that, then we have to record the purchase, that is invoice. Then just at the same time, first we will enter the goods received, and then we will enter the purchase invoice. That is invoice, sales invoice from them. We call it as purchase invoice. Okay, this will be entered. This is what will happen. And after that, if there is any problem in the goods or anything is wrong, not correct, any quality is not good or anything, so some goods may be returned. So for that, so we are making entry for the purchases. Then purchase returns will make the entry in the voucher debit note. Purchases returns in the debit note, we make the entry, and in the meanwhile, we make payment in fully or in part, we may make the payment. This is about the purchase order processing. From the moment we prepare the purchase order and send, by the time they have sent the goods and we receive the goods, and we enter the invoice and we make the payment. This is called purchase order processing. Sales order processing is the opposite. That we will learn in the next video. So here I prepared for both one single company purchase and sales order process. How use it for that, and some lectures are required that I already prepared. So to avoid the delay. Okay. So we know how to complete all the lectures here. So we go to this one, see this one, alter. See here, I created in the creation of a company is normal. Creation of the company, and this password, username, tally, vault password is not required, just I left here. So like this, I prepared, I created the. So if we create a new company, immediately after creating, we will go to the F11 features. Here, the company is already created. So we have to go manually to F11 features. So that's also completed. We go to F11. This is regarding the accounting master accounting features, and this is inventory features, everything whatever required we will make. And then we'll go to enable goods and the services tax. We'll go to this. Everything will be there only. So all these are taken by default, and we have to enter the company in GST number. This is from Telangana. That's why GST number we are giving. Accept that. And one more thing here. This we will not require now. We will make it no. Okay. And then accept this. So and then accept F11 features. So created the company and enable the GST features. Now we have to send the purchase order. We have to make the purchase order. Only. Okay. Now we have to prepare the purchase order. Then how we will prepare? Whatever document we prepare, we will make the entry. We will go to vouchers. Go to voucher. And now date we will take up 1st April only. So first of all, by default, you can go to payment. Now we require what we require is we have to prepare the purchase order. For the previous videos, quotation and pro forma invoice, there is no such voucher type. So what we do is we will take a regular voucher which is available, we make it optional, then it will become the quotation. For example, for quotation, we take the sales order, make it optional by pressing the optional button. So if we make it optional, it will become quotation. To take the sales voucher directly, sales voucher, and make it optional, it will become pro forma invoice. Again, if you remove that optional, make it regular, then purchase order will become purchase order, sales order will become, the sales will become sales. That is the purchase order in the quotation will become purchase sales order, and pro forma invoice will become directly sales to become the sales voucher. But in this case, only those two not available. In this case, this you have to require is purchase order, it is available. Go to other vouchers. So here inactive, all are inactive. These are only active. So click show inactive. So here all the inactives. This is order. So this will show in the order vouchers. This is regarding the goods inventory, accounting vouchers. This is inventory vouchers. You go to order vouchers. You go to see purchase order. The shortcut is Control F9. So click that. Last two, this is to be activated. We want to activate yes. If you click the yes, then automatically this will be activated. This will be activated, the purchase order. Okay. And then in the case of the purchase order, here, purchase order we are making. Purchase order number 2 is in the Telugu version. I made one purchase order. It was 1, now it is 2. Okay. For April, or we take up first to May, we will take up the date. First May, we take the date, first May. And then now, what we do is, we have to prepare the purchase order. First, what is the party? So I created party here. Ramana Electronics. Ramana Electronics or Excel Electronics. Okay. I prepared for sales unit. Excel Electronics is data. Okay. Sales future. Okay. Ramana Electronics. So Ramana Electronics is a sundry creditor. It is to be created. Ramana Electronics, sundry creditor. All these address, everything will be given. From Telangana only, regular number is given. Okay, this is created. So here, other details, order details and receipt details, order details, modified mode or terms of payment are 10 days, by check. After 10 days, within 10 days, we will pay. So other reference, how you contacted them, Mr. Babu, for example, terms of delivery. So we have to supply. How many days you have to take? So it will take 5 days. 5 days. Within 5 days, you have to supply. They can supply immediately also. Okay. Then how? Dispatch through road. Dispatch through road. Destination. Our company is in Hyderabad. And how to send SRMP transport. And all of these details will be separate given by them. When they are sending the goods, how they will when they send, they will do the lorry receipt. The lorry people will do the receipt. Lorry receipt to date and vehicle number, they will do. Up to this we will fill up. That's all. And now this is accepted. Okay. And now when giving the order, this is voucher number. For order, we will make a number. So order number, we call it as PO. So PO hyphen 0012, for example, or 001. So this is purchase order beginning. So this is May. So number 1 is already given. Now you take it as number 2 or whatever it may be. Or you can take any number 12, for example. Whatever your serial. And now here purchase order means you are going to purchase goods. So take purchase and then I created the purchase also. How to create purchase accounts, group and applicable. And here we should not give any rates because we are giving the rates, the stock item, goods, that's all. Accept. Okay. Now, then you take the stock items. See here, Dell laptop. How we create Dell laptop? So Dell laptop name, primary will be group, and here pieces, that is units, pieces, applicable, specify here, details, specify here. So they are giving the HSN code. Here also specify details here, taxable, 18%. They are giving. Okay, goods it will take automatically. Okay. So, and then what we are doing, we are asking them to deliver within 5 days. So it is to be executed within 5 days. So here, 1st May, we are sending. So within 5 days means 6th May. So if you take 6th May, it will not take. That is why you can give it as days also. Just 5 weeks review. It will take days. If you want date, you can do or you 5 days. And now, how many you require? For example, we require 10 laptops. Each one is 25,000. So here 25,000, 5 lakhs. That's all. This is first one. Second one, we will take up Dell keyboard. Dell keyboard also. This is also 5 days. If you give 5, you take 5 days. This also you will give 20. So each one is keyboard 250 rupees. You will take 5,000. Then Dell mouse. Space bar quickly. You can know the stock items. So Dell mouse you give. This also 5 days. And then this also will do 20. It will be 1,200. It may be wireless and all these things. So these are the goods. All 20 we ordered. Okay. Now come down and now create the ledgers, tax ledgers. So I already created CGST. How you create CGST? So here, CGST, I created control, enter if you click, it will open the creation page. That is now already created to show the alteration page. CGST, duties and taxes, the type of duty, GST, tax type, CGST, accept. So you can do that. And then similarly, HGST. This is also in the same way. You have to create, here you have to take HGST. Okay, HGST created, and this is done. So then this one we will print and we will send. Okay. So we have given order. Okay. So here we go to reports, you go to profit and loss account, nothing is purchased, we not received, just to give the order. If you go to balance sheet, nothing is there. Okay, but in the day book, you can see the order 1st May. So the order is given, so this will be shown here, but it will not affect the books. You show the order only. And now we come down, stock summary. See, there is no stock at all because your order we have not received any stock. Okay, and then go to the display more reports. In this display more reports, if you see inventory books, the number of orders will be available, only number of orders. So here you see, go to that, see here, purchase order book, purchase order registrar book. You go there, it will show only one. So in the month of May, there is one purchase order. If you click, you will see the details, to whom we have given, and all these details will be available. And it is the number of orders in this month is 1. If you do another order, it will show 2 like that. That is in the month of May. So that is only shows only the number, and then you go to statement of inventory. So below that, if you go to statement of inventory, you come down purchase order outstanding. So we have given the purchase order, whether it is completed or not. Whether it is completed means it is closed. It is not completed means outstanding. So we take the purchase order outstanding. We take item wise you can take because there are 3 items. Each one you have to see. If you one, you can see that one. You see this to show only one. Like that, item wise you can see that's not required. It's not good. And if you go to ledger, in case of ledger, you give the party name, you can understand. See what is the party? Ramana Electronics, you select. So you can see the all the items we have given. That is the purchase order, but pending orders. They are pending 3 items. Okay. Or if you go to, this is only for this person. And if you go to all orders, all the orders of all the suppliers will be available one by one. If you click this, see here, purchase orders pending. You say purchase orders outstanding. Purchase order outstanding. So here, all orders will be still it is not showing. In such a case, what you do? Go this side, F8, all orders. Click that or click F8. Click F8, all orders will be displayed. This is one order and showing different items. If it is only one item, it will show one item. So order is the same and items are shown. So this is the ordered quantity, balance quantity, nothing is delivered. So all this ordered quantity is outstanding. So this is outstanding. That's all. And now, next one, we go there. On 2nd May, they sent the goods. Along with the goods, they sent only invoice, means directly we will go to, we will go to purchase voucher, you will enter the entry, purchase entry. But along with this, suppose if they send delivery note also, so they say it as delivery note, delivering the goods. So we are receiving the goods, so we have to enter in a separate voucher called as receipt in, that is goods received into our company. Receipt in, delivery is deliver out, that is delivery note and receipt note. So we have to enter the receipt note first because then there be. So in that also go to this one. So here purchase order, first one. See here you click purchase order. So it is activated. So it is showing here. You click here. It is not activated. It is not showing. This is received, receipt note. So go to other vouchers. Go to show inactive. So this is regarding the goods, not order. Order is okay, purchase order. Now it is goods received. It is called as received, receipt in, receipt note, sorry, receipt note, alt F9. This is this purchase order, control F9, and receipt in, alt F9, simple F9 is purchase. So if you activate this, it will ask you activate. So it is activated. Now if you see here, this is purchase, it activated. That's why it's deactivated. Yeah. whichever is open, that will be deactivated. So F9 is purchase, Alt F9 is receipt note, Control F9 is purchase order. We require receipt note here, it is activated. So for the receipt note also we will give. So for example, RN receipt note slash, for example, 002. For example, receipt note number 02. Okay, we are giving date is 2nd May. So we need not create anything now. Everything will be automatic. So we created the receipt note. So here from Ramana Electronics we received, and what is the order number? So against which order we received this? Against order number. This is the order number. All this we entered already. So they will show automatic. And when we received the goods, they are sending the delivery note. In the delivery note, they will give all the details, how they send receipt to document number, for example, is the document number by road, HYDERABAD, everything is given. And lorry receipt number they will send. So for example, this is the lorry receipt number, date is 2nd May. Okay, then vehicle number, for example, TS08 XA 25, whatever it number. Okay, so this is the number. Now, see here, when you say so then it is purchases that giving. Purchases means when you select the purchase, automatically it will show all the items we made, all the items we ordered. So they are received now. And here, this receipt note reference number is not, this is taken as, what you call as the tracking number. And for every item, tracking number, if you ask tracking number means the receipt note number. Okay, tracking number and order number. See, tell the stuff. So here, tracking number. So this number which we give. What is this? RN002. So RN002, tracking number, then order number which you give. And here, so here, these are the goods which we ordered. These are the goods means we ordered 20 pieces. So okay. Then next one. So again also the same tracking number, order number, 20 pieces. Okay, received. And then another one is also tracking number, order number, 20 pieces. So everything you received, you made the entry. Okay. If you make this entry, so the order is completely not pending. That totally it is completed. That is why the pending order will not show. Yeah. But we received goods now. Now it will go to the profit and loss account. It will go to balance sheet, and it will go to the stock summary. We are receiving stock. So I'll show you. So here, when you received all the goods which we ordered, we will now go and see reports. Go to A book. So it will show. This is the first of all our purchase order. Then this is receipt note. We received 20 piece means the first one in the list will be shown all, and then issue. Okay, we will show this, and then go to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. If you see, we purchased the goods, we received the goods. So towards the purchase, what the invoice is not entered so far. It means the invoice not received. Purchase bill to come ahead received. First we entered only the delivery note. On the base of the delivery note, receipt note we entered. That is why it is showing. Receipt note is always order is completed, but purchase bill is not entered. If you enter the purchase bill, so it will not show here, and then it will go to the purchases. If there are returns, less purchases. And whatever you received, so they are in stock, closing stock, because they are not sold. So here balance sheet, go to balance sheet. Here, when you purchased from the creditor is it purchase bill to come, it is showing creditor amount is here, Sunday creditors showing. Sunday creditors, but not showing the person name, because when you enter the invoice only, that is purchase entry, then it will show the creditors. It is showing amount is shown, but purchase bill to come. Okay, it is showing, and this side closing stock, total stock it is showing. If you click, you can understand the different stock items, and go to profit and loss account. Then if you go to stock summary, you receive the goods. Previously no stock. Here, go to stock summary, all the things will be shown. Okay, now go to more details, that is more reports. Go here, go to inventory books, it will not change. In this book, in this case, purchase order book, it is showing one, but now receipt note also entered now. Now it is showing receipt note registered. Receipt note also, one receipt note will be received. Details will be there, and then go to statement of inventory. Here, purchase order outstanding. You go and select all items. It is not showing anything. But even if you click the all orders, it is not showing anything because the order is completed, because the goods are sent. We received the goods, the order is closed. And now, when the order is closed, when the order is closed, but bill is not received. We are not entered the sales bill, purchase bill. That is why next one, purchase bill pending. See here, for this, for all these, purchase bill is pending. These are the details. So initial quantity we ordered, pending quantity. Here, pending quantity is, this is purchase bill. For purchase bill, quantity is pending. Purchase, this is called purchase bill pending. Okay. And now these are the reports and stock summary, everything. Okay. But suppose in this case, say we have not received all the goods by for some reason. So Dell laptop, they supplied 18 only. Keyboard, they supplied 20. Dell mouse, they supplied 15. It is also 18. That means 2 laptop and 2 Dell mouse, they sent less quantity. That means, so the order is completed to whatever they supplied. The balance 2 plus 2, that order will be printed because they are not sent. And bills to come, that is purchase bill also will be prepared only for the goods they supplied. So the purchase bill also, they will show only the quantity supplied. Okay. Now for example, so here you will take here is supplied only 18. Okay, 18 is supplied, so it is completed. 18, and this one is completed. Totally received. And here mouse also we received, for example, 17 we received. We received 17, it is shown. Okay. So in this case, how it will show? Not received full. So here you go to table, it will show the first quantity one. First one is 18. To show the first quantity only in the table, but anyhow, this is receipt note. And if you go to profit and loss account, it will show only the amount which is outstanding. That is only the purchase bills for the quantity supplied only. For quantity not supplied, you cannot take into this one. Okay. And then go to balance sheet also. Here also, we go to the following stock, is it lesser, and here Sunday creditors, bills to come, this is also reduced, and only the amount for which goods are supplied. Okay. And then go to stock summary. Here is it. This one, this is showing in the alphabetical order. Dell keyboard, total 20 supplied. But Dell laptop 18 supplied. Dell mouse 17 supplied. That means 2 and 3 are pending. Okay. This is about the stock summary. We go to display more reports. In these inventory books, there will be no difference because purchase order book it will show one. It will not change. Don't showing the number of orders and number of receipt notes. Okay. Now if we go to statement of inventory and if we go to purchase order outstanding, previously when the total goods are supplied, no purchase order pending. Now if we go to this, go to all orders, here it is not showing anything, but still order is pending. Go to all orders. So one is completely supplied, and in 2 cases supplied less quantity. So Dell laptop, so total quantity we ordered quantity is 2020. So Dell laptop balance pending is 2. They sent 80. So 2 are pending, and for Dell mouse out of 20, 3 are pending. So these are they are pending orders. They are pending orders. Okay. Now and then if you come to purchase bills pending. Purchase bill pending means purchase bills means we are not entered yet. So this is the total received initial quantity. That means quantity received. Received quantity only you will get the invoice. And pending quantity means this, that is invoice not received. 18, 20, 17. This is purchase bills pending. Okay. And now, for example, now we received that. Now we make the entry. So we made the entry for receipt note, that is goods received. Now immediately we received along with the goods receipt note, that is the delivery challan from them. They sent the sales invoice also. Now we have to enter the purchase invoice. What is the entry? So purchases second only, along with the goods. We received the goods and second. So receipt note and invoice also. Go to purchase. So in the purchase cases, they will send the invoice number. It will be separate. For example, 0025. And second, From whom we received? From Ramana Electronics. So what is the receipt note number? That is tracking number RN002. So all this will be because by road and everything we have completed. No, and now accept this and order number also is shown. This is receipt details. Receipt details with receipt note number and how to be received. And this is order numbers. What is the order number, terms and everything? That is everything is shown. So here and then accept. And here automatically to show purchase and receipt. Whatever we received only, we receive a purchase bill. That is sales bill they will send only for the quantity they separate. This is 18, this is 20, this is 17. We receive it. So now you see here you take all this everything. It's the same thing to take. There is a tracking number, order number, and due on 5 days given, but it they separate within 1 day. Okay. And here that is the maximum 5 days. So this is completed. Now if we go and see, so go to the reports in the depot, yeah, just click F2 and remove the date. All will be displayed from the beginning. See here, first one, second one. This is the purchase order, then receipt note, and then purchase. Because for every date, the entries will be shown in the depot from down to up. That is the first same date. This is the first one is receipt note on second. The next one is purchase. So if you make another entry on second, it will go to the upper one. Like that, it will go down to up. Okay. Now receipt note and this is the purchase. If you go to profit and loss account, so Alt F1 is purchase bills to come. This is removed and shown as purchases. And here also sales bills to come. And then keyboard, this is the closing stock. We are not sold anything. And then go to summary. See here, 2018 17. So they will receive them already to the credit, receipt note. It is shown there. It is shown there, and then it is showing the same thing here. Okay. Now come to more reports. If you come, so this will show only the orders, not a problem. Will not see. So go to statement of inventory. So it is outstanding. Go to all orders. Click. This is outstanding. Okay. And if you go to bills pending, here there is no bill pending. See, whatever quantity is supplied for that, they will send the bill. That bill is received and we enter that. So bill is also not pending, because that's why the profit and loss account also is shown as pending bills to come, not show purchase bills. Okay, like this, we will make the entry. And then in this case, and that is on second, the same day, for example. So out of these goods, we received and everything is entered, purchase invoice also. But here, what we did is, we received the goods due to some reason, we returned the goods, some goods, for example. So on the same second, we returned the goods means purchase returns. Purchase returns means which one we had to enter? Purchase returns means Alt F5, and it will show here. Here. Alt F5. See here. It's not required. See here. Alt F5 you take. Alt F5 debit note is already activated. It is activated debit note. Okay. So it is debit note to whom we supplied? Ramana Electronics. Here for this, then you received everything completed. Now next entry is only for the pending quantity, except that for other entries there is no tracking number, no other details. Okay, just accept. We call it as purchase returns because we are debit note we are entering goods returned to the suppliers. That's called purchase return. For that we should not take purchase and take purchase returns. So purchase returns also we will create. Purchase returns we say, but it is under purchase accounts and everything is the same. And at the end we have to select goods. So purchase returns, and here what we supplied, we return, for example, only keyboard we supplied, keyboards, 5 numbers we supplied. We return. So here you take, nothing will be there. So 5 numbers we returned. So the amount for which we purchased the same amount, 250. So this one, along with this, we have to do the tax also. Along with this, we have to do the tax also. And here it will ask you the reason. We are issuing debit note. Why? The reason. Here, sales return we can do because the sales by return, that is the supplier is returned, or you can take up others. Okay, take others. And here, when we are supplying, the person who was returning, he will give the note first, debit note. We are giving the debit note. After receiving the goods, they accept the goods and they will give the credit note. Then only we can here. We don't know about their credit note. So we leave it. We leave this column. And when they send the credit note, we are saying issuing debit note. They will give the credit note. And then we can come to this entry. Again, we can update this column. Okay, this is completed. Against which reference? Sorry, one more thing. Here, purchase returns. Here, it's coming. Here, these are two, okay, but last one, original invoice number. What is the original invoice number? We are doing, we will check up the invoice number. Their invoice number we will check up. The day book. This is the purchase. Invoice number 0025. 0025 second name. Okay. So take the entry. So purchase returns, Alt F5, Alt F5, and then Ramana Electronics. So here, these details are not required, but this is required. 0025 second May. By default, if you do this date 0025, it will show this date, but this is returned on. We received the invoice. The date of invoice is 24, not 24. 25 we received. So it is 25. 25 we received the goods and we are sending them. Okay. Now, purchase returns and only one item we are supplying, we are returning 5 numbers and everything is okay. But here, see GST, here GST, and here, yes, we will do other reason, and that will be updated data. And against reference, see 002 second May. Against that bill, we are returning now. So return amount is this one, 1,473. So this is return. Okay, now we will go to see the day book, the entry will be there, and if you go to profit and loss account here, purchases completed and the purchase returns. It is showing us purchase returns and summary. See here, 18 and 17. This one we received 20, but now we returned by, so it is showing only 15. And then go to this one. It will not affect these books. So statement of inventory, and here purchase order outstanding, all orders means it will be there because 2 numbers and 3 numbers are available. Still pending. Purchase bills, no purchase bill is pending. For example, now purchase bill is pending. Purchase order is outstanding. So how much is outstanding? Here, 3 and 2 are outstanding. For example, so we can ask them to supply later. And suppose 2nd May, suppose on 31st May, because other dates we cannot take in the education. On 31st May, they supplied again these 3 numbers. So then also the same procedure, they will send the delivery note and invoice. And so what we do is now again make the entry, voucher. So delivery, what we call it, Alt F9. So receipt note we are receiving. So they will give receipt note /0026. For example, whatever number, whatever is given, we will take up 003. For example, we take up, and here Ramana Electronics and the gym order number. Against this order, we are receiving this balance, and here. So here, to number. When they are sending the delivery note, they will do the details. And here, the number of the number given by the lorry receipt. So when you are receiving, so we are receiving number 31st May. So this we have to change. 31st May we are receiving. 31st May we are receiving. 31st May, and the vehicle number is TS07 XR. This some number. Okay, some number. Okay. Accept, and then this is as purchase only. Then we take the purchases only. Receipt note and purchase invoice, you take purchases. For purchase returns, debit note only, take purchase returns. Here in this case, so Dell laptop we received, which one you have received? The Dell laptop, it is giving as per the order. This one we received the balance 3. Which one? Dell laptop, you know this one. For example, you will see what is pending. display more reports, statement of account. Here, take all the orders. So click this one. Three numbers. Almost three numbers we received. We received three numbers almost. So here, purchases, the receipt note, RN 003, for example, and here Ramana Electronics, this is the order number, and here this is the number, and here some number given by the lorry one person. 31st May we received, and the vehicle number is PS07 XE something, some number is okay. Accepted. And now purchases. Here Dell laptop we have not received because they already completed. Order is completed. Now end of list. And here also take end of list. This Dell mouse only we are receiving now. The Dell mouse, the number and the order number and the tracking number. We received three. So they sent all the three. Okay. Three numbers we received. So receipt note we are making, and then receipt note, then CGST, GST. Okay. We received the receipt note. But now if you see the report, the entry will be there, the entry with three pieces we received, and in the profit and loss account. So here we received the receipt note, we entered the receipt note, but bill you have not entered now. So bill spending is showing the bill spending. And if you go to start summary, say here, Dell mouse 20, isn't it? Because three pending 17 we received. Now we received the total 20. And if you go to this one, go to statement of inventory, go to purchase order pending, we go to the all orders, you'll see here. So one is 3, that is completed. This only is remaining, this is pending. And for this pending, received 3 numbers. For these 3 numbers, invoice is pending. So now the same date along with this one, we received the goods also, received the invoice also. So take it as purchase. So they will give some number. Okay, some number, and Ramana Electronics order number is this one, and all these are completed, and order number is this. This is the tracking number which we received, and this is the accept, and then this one purchases only, this purchases everything is done. Okay. Now we go see in the table, the entry will be shown, and here if you go to the reports, go to the profit and loss account. See here, so bills to come is not, it is added there. Okay, it is added in the purchases and returns are already there. And if you go to summary, so this is already, we have seen that will be updated when you receive that, but the bill it will not be updated. Now go to this one, go to statement of inventory, go to order spending to show only the 2 pending. And here purchase bill spending, it is not showing anything, but the 3 which we received was running. After that, when you enter the purchase bill, is also not pending. Okay, so like this. So we returned some goods and everything we did. And now, what is the amount due to the person? What is the amount due to the person? See here, we purchased for, we are given that, you can see the PAL. We go to Ramana Electronics, the amount due is 5,62,305. Okay. First one, and then this is returned, and this is again second purchase. So in the first one, for example, we paid 3 lakhs, for example. So now on the same day, 31st May, then we paid on 1st June, voucher. So on 1st June, we paid. So go to the payment voucher. So we are paying through State Bank of not available. So go for that. State Bank of India. So it comes under bank accounts, and then everything will be there. Okay. Now we are paying to whom? Paying State Bank of paying to Ramana Electronics. So this is the amount outstanding, 5,62,305. So for example, we are paying 3 lakhs. Against reference, there are 2 bills, the original bill and the second bill. So against the first bill, we are paying 3 lakhs. So the balance will be 562 minus 3, 260 is the balance, against reference we are paying. So that's it. Like this. So we are paying by check means, so we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number, bill number by check. So this is how, and the balance we will pay after something. So this is how we will break down. We will we will complete the purchase order. This is called purchase order processing. Okay, from the step we do the purchase order and we receive the goods and then we make the payment, whatever it may be. All these transactions will be completed. It's called as purchase order processing. So this I close this session, and one request to you is many people they are just watching the video and going on without subscribing. Please everyone subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Click the bell icon and select all. You get notified for all the videos which I upload in my channel. Okay, and then every video you watch till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, the other part you cannot understand. Okay, it is not of no use. Without watching full video, there is no use at all. This will be half knowledge only. That's like watch the video, every video till the end, and if it is good, click the like button. If you like the video YouTube will say will recommend this video to many people, so many people will learn this. And also, I am undertaking online classes also for the Tally Prime GST. So if you are interested, you can contact me and join the class. My contact number is given on the thumbnail of every video. Okay, wish you all the best. We will meet in the next video relating to the sales order processing.